Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pallavi and in today's video I'm going to show how I clean my beauty blenders. It's been a while since I have cleaned my beauty blenders, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how I do that. I'm going to deep clean my beauty blenders, guys. So if you want to know how I do that, then do continue watching the video till end and don't skip it, guys, because if your beauty blenders have become really dirty, then you should definitely watch this video. This video gonna be very useful for you guys. So I'll go and clean the beauty blenders. You should come along with me and I'll show you how I do that. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's start the video, guys. So guys, you have to take this much hot water, बहुत गर्म पानी आपको लेना है एक बाउल में. ओके, आप देख सकते हो. एंड ये मेरी डर्टी ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर्स है. आप देख रहे हो कितनी डर्टी हो चुकी है. सो आई एम गोना सिंक इन ऑल द ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर्स इन द हॉट वाटर. Now I'll just pour some Johnson baby shampoo in it. Take a generous amount and put in the water like this. Basically you have to use all the products which are chemically free. So I've taken baby massage oil. Massage oil will help to condition the beauty blenders. It will make them really soft. So that's why I have poured some oil and shampoo at the same time, so that all the dirt will come out. And I will leave this bowl for half an hour and then I'll come back and I'll clean the beauty blenders. So just cover the lid and leave it for half an hour, guys, and then you can clean your beauty blenders. So it will be easy, it will become a easy process, guys. So I'll take half an hour break now. So guys, you can see after half an hour how much foundation and how much cream and all have come out. You can see, but still my beauty blenders are really dirty. So I'm trying to squeeze in and out in the water itself, and I'm taking out as much foundation as possible by doing this step. So you can squeeze your beauty blenders in the water so that more foundation will come out. So you can see the dirty water, guys. It has become so dirty, but still my beauty blenders have not got deep cleaned. Still I can see, you can also see the foundation on the beauty blenders. So I'll try to deep clean it. I'll clean it completely as much as possible, guys. So I'll again take fresh water and then squeeze in and out. You can see I've taken fresh water, guys, and see how much foundation is coming out of it. Now I'm doing the next step, guys. Next step is I have taken a Margot soap, where I am rubbing my beauty blenders on the soap and then I'm squeezing in the water. See, you can see that how much foundation is coming out. So this step really helped me to clean the beauty blenders completely, guys, because the upper portion was not getting cleaned. So I had to do this step. I'm doing it for all my beauty blenders. So I'm rubbing on the soap like this, and then I am gonna squeeze all the foundation out from my beauty blenders. So yeah, you can see how much foundation have come out, guys. And now again I'll take fresh water. And now next step is to disinfect your beauty blenders. For that I'm using a Dettol, a generous amount of it, and I will pour inside the bowl, and I let the beauty blender sit in that water for few minutes. Okay, since it's corona time, guys, so you need to do this step, and this will help you to kill all the germs and bacteria. And then take a dry towel and put all your wet beauty blenders on it You can see all the beauty blenders have got deep clean, guys, so do follow all the steps if you want to deep clean your beauty blenders. It will definitely work for you. So you can see that all have got deep clean, guys, and don't forget to do the last step, which is to disinfect the beauty blenders. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like watching it, and I hope you like my technique. Do give it a try, guys. It will clean your beauty blenders properly. I struggled before and I was not able to clean my beauty blenders properly, but this technique really helped me a lot. Do comment down the video what you think about it and how you clean your beauty blenders. If you do it in a different way, you should definitely comment down the video, so that other people will get to know about your tips and tricks. If you like the video, then don't forget to press on the like button and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Pallavi, and if you're someone who love watching makeup related videos, then you should definitely subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell button. Whenever I'll upload a video, you'll get notified about it. And also you can follow me on my social media handles. Links, Instagram and Facebook links are given down in the description box. You can definitely follow me up there. And thank you so much, guys, for watching today's video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, keep watching, keep loving.